little cuties, I hope you all are doing well. So finally December is here. We all are getting prepared for the upcoming big event. We have already decorated our Christmas tree. How about you guys? Comment down below. So from the intro, you might have guessed that today we are going to draw a Christmas tree. So let's get started. The easiest trick to draw a Christmas tree is to make the outline first. Look, here I have drawn 4 inverted straight lines on each side, leaving some space between 2 consecutive lines. We will now simply going to join the 2 adjacent lines. The upper one is going to join the lower one inwardly. Follow the same process for the rest of the tree. Now as we got the outer structure of the tree, let's join both the sides of each layer by adding some more leaves. Let's draw the stem now. And now it's time for the star at the top of the tree. Here comes a fun time for me now. Let's add some decor to the tree. Some circular balls, candy cane, bell. Draw whatever you like to add. I am adding some more circles, just like small ornaments throughout the tree. Last but not the least, some gift boxes underneath the tree. Just draw square boxes, give them a 3D look and add some nice bow. Look, we are done. I have drawn a different shape of gift box also. You can show your creativity too. I am drawing 2 more boxes over here so that you can practice it more. Let's start coloring now. I will color the entire tree deep green and then we'll add some highlight with a lighter green. Playing with colors is such a fun, right? I hope you all are finding this tutorial helpful. If you liked the video, please do subscribe my channel And don't forget to share the joy with others. Color the star and some of the ornaments yellow. And the rest of the ornaments you can do red or whichever color you want. Of course, the candy cane will be red and white. Color the stem brown as well. Now it's time to color the gift boxes. You can go for your own choice. Here I am keeping it simple yet colorful with red and yellow only. Now with the help of a yellow marker, I am adding string of lights to the Christmas tree. Let's make the tree more realistic by adding some white highlight now. Look, our Christmas tree is looking so gorgeous. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye.